Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey, today it's time to find our winner of the Dollar Tree collab. And this was a 10 collab channeled event where we all went to the store and bought 10 items from the Dollar Tree, and then each one of us had a giveaway. And I would like to thank all the YouTube creators that participated in this Dollar Tree train collab. We had a great time, and we think by the comments that you gave us that you all had a great time too. It's time to pick our winner. We have the URL in, and we have had a couple of choices already, but they are not subscribed. We're going to redo this because I am having a hard time finding someone that's subscribed to everybody. Most winners so far have only been subscribed to either 1 or 2 channels, and you must be subscribed to all channels to win. It was only 10 videos that you had to watch and 10 that you had to subscribe to. In this case, I've gone through 2 already. And we're going to get our YouTube comments. We've got our word in there. And we have a total of 59. And we're going to find a winner. Let's hope we have better luck this time. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Peach Rose. Hey, I bet she's subscribed to everybody. Let's check her out. I see her comment a lot on my channel, and I see her also on other people's channels. So there's Laura Wooten Unboxing, so we have at least 1 there, and I'll be back here once I find out if she is publicly subscribed to all 10 channels. Be back soon. Okay guys, I found everyone. There's Laurie Latimer. And down below there, I seen Robyn's Closet right there. And then I saw Miss Jackie Russell right there. And I think that was at the end. And then up at the top, of course, we had Laura Wooten Unboxings. We had Gracefully Cheryl right there. We have Tracey and Chloe right there. Monique's Unique Critique. And we had 700 Mile Mom down here. I saw her as well. There she is. And then over here we had Arleen. And there's Arleen. So we have our train. Everybody's here. And that's great. So we have our official winner. And let's go back over here to the comment picker, Peach Rose. She said, very nice haul. I give it a 10. I love the beach. Hey, thanks, Peach Rose. I love the beach too. And I'm so happy that you have won. I know you have commented on my channel, I don't know how many times, numerous times, and you're a great supporter of not only my channel, but all the other channels that you subscribe to. And I want you to know personally that we all appreciate you. So you have 48 hours to contact me, and I will get your package out to you right away. And don't forget, we will have more giveaways and more chances to win for everybody. And I do appreciate you all being on board the Dollar Tree train. We had such a good time with it. And as for today, that's all I have, and I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.